Hello, I'm Michibit, your crypto kitty friend. Good to see you in Silverbit, where we all learn crypto. Today we are going to talk about the blockchain, the revolutionary technology behind Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies. Remember to like the video if you find it helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get early access to all the new videos that we will be creating for you every week. The blockchain, in simple terms, is a database. There are many types of databases, such as Excel, SQL, and Oracle, which is used by large companies in the world to save their information. The blockchain is a new type of database. In this technology, the data is stored in groups of information, known as blocks. Each block has a limit on the capacity of data it can store, and when that block is filled, it is chained to the previous block, thus, extending the chain itself. Each block has a code that identifies it, known in English as hash. Imagine the hash as if it were the name you give to an Excel file that has a lot of important information, and that you store on your computer. Each block contains the previous hash, its own hash, and a timestamp. Why is blockchain a revolutionary concept? There are three characteristics that make blockchain a unique technology: decentralization, transparency, and security. Let's talk about the most important thing, decentralization. Imagine a company that has a database of bank transactions with 1,000 computers, all located under the same roof. Although any authorized person can access the database from anywhere in the world thanks to the internet, all the databases are controlled by the same entity, the same computer program, and usually under the same roof. A blockchain, on the other hand, can have 1,000 computers or more, but most of these computers are located in totally different places, and they belong to different people. The blockchain was created to be managed by many people, that is, anyone can be part of a blockchain if they have equipment with enough power. This means that no one is the authority. The authority is all the nodes or computers on the network, and no one can deceive the network, since they all have the same copy of the ledger. Why is it transparent? The historical data of the chain can be viewed at any time, by any member of the network, or any external person, through blockchain explorers. Anyone can track the movements of Bitcoin from the beginning of its history, since the information is accessible to everyone, and that is why it is transparent. Something that we must clarify is that the blockchain is private, meaning, no one sees your data, or what you bought, or what the transaction was about. The blockchain respects your privacy. The only thing the network can see is that an amount of an asset, X, was transferred from point A to point B on a specific date and time, and that this transaction cannot be duplicated. Safety is a fundamental pillar. The blockchain allows you to store data that cannot be lost, modified, or deleted. The security of stored information is one of the greatest benefits of technology. If someone wanted to hack the network, duplicate transactions, or modify the information, they would have to attack at least 51% of the other nodes on the network. This hacker would have to change his own copy of the ledger, but this would make the other nodes with the correct copy know about it, which would give him away immediately. The amount of computational resources and money required to carry out this attack are virtually impossible to have, and if you tried, you would be quickly removed from the network. What are the biggest uses for the blockchain? The blockchain, as Bitcoin has already demonstrated, is the ideal technology for a digital money system and a secure record of transactions. But it has many more potential uses. Health. The healthcare sector could benefit a lot from the blockchain. All medical records could be stored in the blocks of the chain, and the information of each patient would be safe, but globally accessible to any authorized entity, and could not be altered or falsified. Smart contracts. Smart contracts will be decentralized, thus ensuring a more transparent negotiation between those who participate, and their compliance can be verified by the network itself. These contracts can be filled for real estate, employee contracts, and business-to-business deals, among other options. Electoral systems. Reforming electoral systems by occupying the blockchain has the potential to eliminate fraud. A vote would be a piece of information, which would be part of a block and of the chain itself, and which could not be altered by anyone, thanks to the decentralization system. What is the future of blockchain? First proposed in 1991, the blockchain has gained importance through Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and the rest of the financial sector is already beginning to develop its own technologies. There is still a long way to go for the rest of the sectors in society and the economy to start using blockchain as a central technology, since adapting to change is difficult. But if one thing is certain, it's that this technology is here to stay, and it will begin to change the reality of many sectors of the economy, and of how we live and interact with others. If you have any more questions, do not hesitate to go to our social media or website, and leave us a comment. We will be happy to help. The links are available below, in the comments section. Thank you for watching my video. Remember, I'm Michibit, and if this video was helpful to you, Don't forget to like it and please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Meow. See you in another video.